Model, 1993 Volkswagen Lt 31 2.4L diesel motorhome LHD spares OR repairs body, white, motorhome mileage, 100,184 engine, 2,383 cc transmission, 5-speed manual mechanical summary, starts on easy start. Runs perfect on easy start. Engine clutch and gearbox were perfect. There is an electrical issue where the fuse box below the steering wheel has slightly melted and blown. A fuse needs the electric sorting. This is not a major job. Something has shorted out, we've not investigated properly. Someone who knows what they're doing will get this running in no time. Grin condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean. Genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. For berth, the interior is in great condition for the age, with a double bed above the cab and a U-shaped seating area at the back that converts to another double bed. Full kitchen and WC with toilet and shower features, one former keeper, electric windows, HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199973.